You bet I don't have 100 blue fidget toys. That is a pretty big number, but I think I can do it. Let me just put my little corgi away and then I'll get started. Right away, I see something blue here. So this llama will be number 1. Number 2, game controller for number 3. This adorable dumpling cat for number 4. 5 is this tiny little guy. 6 is this even tinier little guy. 7 is my kawaii kitty. This has been through a lot. It is very well loved. Only the paint on the ears have stayed on. 8 is this stress ball. Onto my poppet drawer, I have 9 right here. 10. 11 is this plain popper. 12 is this ghost. I have so much blue in this drawer. This will be 13. 14 is this sheep. 15. 16. 16. 17 is this elephant. 18 is the alligator. And 19. I just found another one for 20. When I lifted this stack, I also found this one for 21. 22 will be this pumpkin. 23. And a keyboard for 24. On to my mini poppet drawer. This little guy will be number 25. 26. 27. 28 is this poppet that actually lights up. 29. 30. 31. 32. And 33. I just found another one for 34. 35, 36, 37. I feel like it's kind of morbid that this shark has red Orbeez in its mouth. I don't know. That just gives me, it creeps me out. 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, and 47. 48 and 49 are these two different shades of acupressure rings. This flippy chain takes me halfway there at 50, 51, and 52. Oh, I'll count this new texture that I have. These are so much fun, and I don't have a drawer for them yet, but this will be 53. It's an ice cube. And 54 for my axolotl. Moving on to my Dimple drawer, 55, 56. How cute is this milk for 57, 58, 59 is this delicious looking ice cream, 60, 61 is this narwhal pull and pop, 62 is my Hanukkah dimple, and 63 is this adorable cupcake pull and pop. In my micro poppet drawer, I have this teeny tiny poppet for 65. A super tiny stress ball in there for 66. The packaging's not blue, but if you look inside, the actual stress ball is blue. I was gonna count this, but I feel like it's a little more teal than blue, so I won't count that. But this one is definitely blue for 67. 68 is this camo fidget cube. 69 is this infinity cube. 70. All of these noodles are called monkey noodles, but look at this one. It's an actual monkey noodle. One of my favorites. So this will be 71, 72, 73, 70. Ooh, so this is definitely blue, but in the camera it looks purple, so I'm not going to count that. Here's a unicorn for 74. A glitter noodle for 75, and a normal one for 76. I also have this mini for 77, and these noodles for 78. This breakfast pastry for 79, 80, 81, 82, and 83. I want to count these squirrels, but I think there's too much pink on them. So like this one pops out blue, and this one pops out pink. 84, 85 is this chewable dumbbell, 86, 87 is the saw. 88 and 89. I also just found this for 90. 91. 92. 93. 94. 95. 96. 97. 98. 99. And 100.